So finding yourself a comfortable position, that might be seated for you, maybe with support on your back, or it could be lying down. And we'll just take a moment to arrive in this space, adjusting the body as needed to feel as comfortable as you can be. And either taking the eyes to a fixed position or allowing the eyes to comfortably close. And letting go of your day, your week, in your month. And just be aware of this moment and my voice. Bringing the awareness to the body. And noticing if any part of the body needs to move or adjust in any way. And do so very gently, if needed. Drawing the awareness to the breath. And watching the breath in the body. Watching the breath rising and falling. Noticing where in the body you feel the breath the most. And we'll begin to deepen the breath by introducing belly breathing. If you can, breathing in and out through your nose. And we'll begin by exhaling through the nose and drawing the navel toward the spine. And as you inhale, allowing the belly to expand wide like a big balloon. Exhaling through the nose. And as you inhale, allow the belly to expand wide like a big balloon. And exhale, the navel releases back down. Inhaling, belly expands. And exhale, releasing. Inhaling, belly expands. And exhale, releasing. And once more. And release. Allowing the breath to return to its usual pace. So we can either have a go at the belly breathing again, if that was enough for us. So when we're breathing, we're not trying to strain the breath in any way. We just go into our capacity without pushing our breath too much. It should never be any gasping for air. The breath should be flowing smoothly, nice and gentle. So if you're happy to, we'll try to now breathe more into the rib area. So rather than the belly, into the ribs. And if you wish, you can take your hands to the sides of the ribs. And as you inhale, allow the ribs to expand out to the side. And as you exhale, releasing. Inhaling as the ribs expand wide. And exhale, releasing. Inhaling, expanding the ribs. And exhaling, releasing. And once more. And release. Now this time into chest breathing, so more at the upper chest, just beneath the collarbones. So exhale through the nose, and then as you inhale, trying to direct your breath into the chest. And exhale, releasing. Inhaling, expanding the chest. And exhaling, releasing. Inhaling, expanding. And exhaling, releasing. Allow the breath to return to its usual pace. So now we're going to try to combine those 3 breaths together. So some of you might be reverse breathers. So when you breathe in, the belly naturally wants to come in. The most efficient way to breathe is, as we were doing, as you breathe in, the belly expands. This allows us to take in more oxygen, more air. It's more relaxing for our nervous system, puts us into a state of relax and digest. So let's see if we can combine those 3 breaths together. Exhale through the nose as you draw the navel toward the spine. And inhale as you allow the belly to expand wide, the breath rising to the ribs and all the way to the chest. And exhale, releasing from the chest, ribs, and belly. Inhaling, belly expands, ribs and chest. And exhale, releasing from the chest, ribs, and belly. Inhaling, breath expands. And exhale, releasing. Inhaling, expanding the stomach, ribs, chest. And exhale, releasing from the chest, ribs, and stomach. Inhale, expanding. And exhale, releasing. Inhaling, expanding the stomach, the ribs, and the chest. And exhale, releasing from the chest, ribs, and stomach. Inhale, expanding. And exhale, releasing. Inhaling, expanding. And exhale, releasing. And allowing the breath now to return to its usual pace. Observing any effects of the breathing practice. There might not be any, but just observe. Even if there's not, observe there's no change. And then mentally saying to yourself, may I be open, balanced, and peaceful. May I be open, balanced, and peaceful. May I be open, balanced, and peaceful. And then if you have the eyes closed, beginning to reopen the eyes.